Welcome to TMNS Prime News with me Arohi Godse.
And me Nilraja Ritpure.
Cloudburst in Sikkim triggers flash floods, 43 including 20 soldiers missing. At least 23 army personnel and 20 civilians are missing in Sikkim after a cloudburst triggered flash floods in the Teesta River. A massive search has been launched to locate the missing people, the army and the local administration have said. A statement by the Army's Eastern Command has said some establishments along Lachen Valley have been affected. Release of water from the Changthang Dam led to a sudden increase in water level up to 15 to 20 feet high downstreams. This has led the army vehicle parked at Bardhan near Sangtam getting affected. 23 personnel have been reported missing and some vehicles are reported submerged under the slush. Satellite constellation would hamper night sky observation, astronomers raise concern. Astronomers are raising concern around group of large satellites orbiting the Earth, which would disrupt their ability to observe stars in the night sky and perform radio astronomy. The international team of scientists, including those from Imperial College London, have detailed the impact of the prototype Blue Walker 3 satellite on astronomy. The Blue Walker 3 is a prototype satellite, part of a satellite constellation planned by its owner AST Space Mobile, intent to deliver mobile on broadband services anywhere in the world. NASA extends New Horizons mission to explore Kuiper Belt, home of comets. NASA Space Agency has announced a significant extension to its New Horizons mission, taking us on a journey deep into the mysterious Kuiper Belt, the birthplace of comets. In an exciting development, NASA has decided to extend a New Horizons mission, sending the spacecraft deeper into the solar system to explore the Kuiper Belt. This region, located beyond Neptune's orbit, is home to a treasure trove of icy objects including comets. With NASA's New Horizons mission venturing deeper into the Kuiper Belt, we can look forward to more exciting discoveries about icy residents of our solar system's outer suburbs. This mission continues to inspire curiosity and expand our understanding of the universe we call home. Now over to Neil Raze.
Thank you, Arohi.
Ganesh Festival Celebration. The Ganesh Festival celebration at the Matoshi National School was a vibrant and joyful affair. It showcased the rich cultural heritage and tradition. Coloring competition. Students from grade 1st to 6th displayed their creativity and talent in a colorful manner. During the coloring competition, they used their artistic skills to bring Lord Ganesha to life on paper. Shloka competition. The spiritual aspect of festival was celebrated with the Shloka competition. Students recited beautiful verses and hymns dedicated to Lord Ganesha, demonstrating their devotion, knowledge and our rich cultural heritage. Aarti at school. One of the most memorable moments of the celebration was the Aarti conducted our schools. The entire school community came together to offer prayer and seek the blessings of Lord Ganesha. The atmosphere was filled with devotion and positivity. The Ganesh Festival celebration at the Matoshi National School was a resounding success, bringing together students, teachers, and staff in a spirit of joy, devotions, and cultural enrichment. We thank everyone for their participation. Aryabhat Award Ceremony in school. The Matoshi National School recently concluded a 10-day-long Aryabhat quiz competition that delved into captivating realms of space science and technology. The competition was held under the prestigious banner of Sir C.V. Raman Science Research and Development Center. Students of class 3 were organized into two competitive groups, Titan and Rhea. Team Titan emerged as the victor, securing the trophy of academic year 2023-2024. This year marked the 4th annual observance of Aryabhat ceremony at the school. The event was honored by presence of Mr. Ajankya Hudar, MD and CEO Belf Infotech Private Limited, who graciously accepted the role of chief guest. The ceremony was attended by distinguished the individual founder of Sir C.V. Raman Science Research and Development Center, Mrs. Manisha Kashid Lohkare ma'am, co-founder, Mr. Harshal Lohkare sir, chairman Leena Bokil ma'am, Mrs. Sujata Agarwal ma'am, Dr. Chitra Mahajan, Mrs. Amaswani Yalagur ma'am, and Mr. Rushikesh Kamath sir. Best Performer Award of the competition was secured by Miss Ananya Nikam, Master Sri Girase and Master Vivan Gupta. All the students were honored with certificate and medals, recognizing their dedication and efforts. The occasion also provided an opportunity to express gratitude to the principal for her visionary initiative, as well as to Mrs. Renuka ma'am, Mrs. Pranjal ma'am and Mrs. Jinal ma'am for their valuable contribution to success of event. Young Einstein Science Fair. In the context of our Class 1 curriculum, a science exhibition centered around the theme of air and water was successfully conducted on 16 September. Students, under the careful guidance of our esteemed science teacher, meticulously executed 18 experiments. This event marked an enriching experience for students. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to Principal Ma'ams for initiating, overseeing this commendable science exhibition for our young scholars.
With this, we come to end of today's Prime News, reminding everyone, every ending is a new beginning. Stay curious, stay tuned for more exciting updates.
Thank you.